Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our segment, Come Fly With Us, inside information about insurance. And we're back with Cody Gladney. How's it been going lately?
Good.
Pretty
Thanks.
good, man. We've been through some wild stuff in the past month or so,
It
yeah?
has been a quite the time in the insurance world.
Yeah, wow, craziness for sure. But so as we've been talking about these different topics, things have been coming up with my clients and everything. So a few weeks back, we talked about replacement costs with Marcus. And so we went into depth about that and kind of explained that. Now we want to talk about the other side of that coin, which is ACV or actual cash value. So what does that mean and how does that affect me as a client?
Sure. So actual cash value means that depreciation is applicable. So one way to look at that, and the best scenario that I can always think of, because people are generally a little bit more familiar with how car insurance works,
Right.
is if you wreck and total out your 2011 Toyota Camry, the insurance company is going to give you the value of a 2011 Toyota Camry.
Right.
That's kind of an actual cash value type thing. So the difference between the two, if you had replacement costs on your car insurance, which would be nice, but a lot of times you can't get that,
Right.
you wreck your 2011 Toyota Camry, and the insurance company would give you the value of a 2021 Toyota Camry.
Right.
So we're talking about actually replacing it.
Yeah.
Where we see this most commonly in homeowners insurance is on roofs. Okay, so if you, in this instance, if you had a roof that was 10 years old and had to be replaced,
Right.
and maybe it cost you $10,000 to replace it, what the insurance company is going to say, okay, well, your roof is actually 10 years old, so now it's only worth about 80% of that 10,000.
Right.
So we're actually going to give you 8,000 and then take off your deductible as well. So you're going to get a lot smaller payment.
Sure.
On the roof than you would if it was replacement cost.
So it equals to more cash out of your pocket in the event of a claim. ACV is not really the way to go. And we do everything in our power, and we do only write replacement costs on homeowners insurance. Obviously, like Cody said, you can't really get replacement costs on auto, but on homeowners we can. And that's really our company policy, is to write replacement costs. If you're getting a mortgage, they're going to require you to have replacement costs on your dwelling anyway. But also your contents, we do the replacement costs on, which is also important because you think about all the electronics and TVs and things like that. If they get stolen, you don't want to have them come in and say, we're going to only pay you X amount of dollars because your TV is 7 years old and it's going to cost you out of pocket to go replace that television.
That's right. A lot of people don't think about how much you accumulate over the course of time, right? And if you have ever come home to a situation where you don't have anything in your house, it'd take a lot of money to replace everything all at once.
Yeah, it's not really good. And a lot of people think, oh, I'll be okay with ACV on my contents, but then when it comes down to it, not so much. Then they're calling and they're upset because
That's right.
They forgot they chose that.
That's right.
So, hey, so there's ACV in a nutshell. If you want more information about that, you can reach out to us as well. You can call me at 469-585-6012. You can reach me at jim.ensinia@goosehead.com. We appreciate you watching your video. Share with your friends and family. Check out elliscountyvideos.com. Go to the insurance section, and you can check out the past videos if you've missed any. And keep watching. We'll be at you next week with another video. We'll talk to you soon.